Junipers are coniferous trees and shrubs that make great additions to the landscape. Let's take a look at a couple of junipers you may want to include in yours. Blue Point Juniper is a popular evergreen shrub known for its striking blue-green foliage and attractive pyramidal growth habit. This particular cultivar is a favorite choice for landscaping due to its versatility and low maintenance requirements. The Blue Point Juniper forms a dense, cone-shaped tree. Its dense branching and tightly packed, scale-like needles create a lush and vibrant appearance, providing year-round interest. The foliage is characterized by its intense blue-green color, which remains vibrant even in the colder months, adding a touch of color to winter landscapes. If you are looking for something more whimsical, Blue Point Juniper spiral topiaries are an option. They are Blue Point Junipers that are pre-trimmed, maintained, and grown over a year into a magnificent work of art, making an interesting spiral topiary tree resembling a corkscrew. One of my favorite junipers, Blue Pacific, is a low-growing, spreading evergreen ground cover known for its beautiful blue-green foliage and adaptability to a variety of garden settings. This particular juniper cultivar is valued for its dense, prostrate growth habit, making it an excellent choice for ground cover. I love the golden yellow branches of this plant, which adds to its beauty in the landscape. There are many unique and beautiful varieties of junipers to choose from at your local nurseries and garden centers. Check them out. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.